How to place your first bet on Betway. If you wish to place your first bet on Betway, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is, first of all, assuming you've went to betway.com or the Betway app and that you are logged into your account, you will see this type of interface over here. Now over here, you can see different type of sports and events that you can choose from. First of all, make sure you select your respective event or sport. Then after that, you can simply choose a type of game that you wish to place a bet on. You will see the live in-game that is currently happening, you will see parlay games, and you will see other options as such. So on the left hand side or at the bottom, you can simply choose your picks or place your odds. So once you place an odds, you should be able to see whether you want to place a single bet or a parlay bet and so on. And once done, you can hit the accept changes button to be able to place your first bet on Betway. Also, by the way, make sure you have deposited funds into your account to place a bet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.